my crew, and it was cool until we bumped into you. Now it's been years, but there you were, like a Mustang, riding every single gear, man and dance.
Speedokote Refinish Network. So today we got this nice little Civic Si with us. Really sweet car, but unfortunately we're having some paint issues on the trunk. These cars between 06 and 09 had a lot of factory clear coat issues. So today we're going to go ahead and correct that for this. I mean, this paint is just way far gone, guys. I mean, typical rule of thumb is with clear coat issues or scratches, if it can catch your fingernail, it's too far gone. Now, this is going to need a total sand and repaint. Go ahead and just do the trunk and the wing together. We're going to go ahead and remove this wing and spray them separate. So we got our wing removed and we got our panels right here masked off so we don't scratch any of this, and we're going to go ahead and get the sanding.